What's going on, guys? In my previous video I have shown guys how to create the password button and also upload button. Here what we are going to see is we are going to see how to submit forms. Let's say you are typing your username and password, you have to click something to submit, right? That's what we are going to see. Like usually in Facebook or other things you will see as a login thing, but you can name it as anything you want, like submit or anything, login or something like that. Now let's see how to create that one. First of all, I'm gonna go under the form and then type username, and then input type, that's equal to text, and then name is equal to, I put username. Okay, now close this one with backslash this, and then you can see we have a username and I can just put anything I want. Now the next thing is we are going to create password. I put a break before that, and then to create a password I put password here, password again input type is equal to password, and then name, I name it as pass. Okay, backslash close, and then when I refresh you can see password, and when I type, okay, it should be coming dot, something wrong here, let me double check. Input type, okay, I put an R here, input type. Okay, now when I refresh, and okay, now you can see we have dot lines, when I type it's coming as dot. Now I'm gonna put a break again, okay. Now the next thing is we are going to create the submit button. Input type is equal to submit value is equal to submit. Okay, now we are done. That's it. Now you can see we have username, password, and then submit. Now let's type something. I put a username and password, and when I click submit, nothing happens because I didn't create the file, like I didn't create the one more thing called action. To create the action we have to go under the top form. We have form on the top and bottom closing. On the top form we have to just type action, and you can name anything, do something, I name this one as do something, and method, there are two methods, there are post and get, I guess. Post and get. Post is the thing we need to use if you are submitting, so post here, method post, and then refresh this one. Now I type username and then password something, and when I submit it going somewhere, but there's no direction because I didn't even create a direction. That's how you create submit forms using XHTML and CSS. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on my next tutorial, and that's going to be the last tutorial, I guess. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.